guys. I'm going to try to do these combats here real quick. And sorry about the interruption, which was actually about 8 hours ago. But oh well, okay. I don't even know. I gotta do all of them, I think. Okay, so I've got 2 infantry. The Marines will be at 2, because they're at a +1 for coming off of this guy, but then -1 for mountains, and then the tactical's at a 7. Okay, tactical hit, and militia defending at a 2. Okay. Bring him back to the aircraft carrier. And that's okay. Let's go down to Kyushu. Okay, so fighter, gray, jet, black. The 2 Marines will be at 1. Okay, so those both planes hit. Defending militia at a 2. Nope. Okay. Another 2. And then Hokkaido. 2 infantry to 1, or Marines, pardon me, and the tactical bomber at 7. Okay, 2 hits, militia defending at a 2. Okay, well, whatever. So these ships are all going to get repaired. I know it's not the exact right sequence, but there you go. And then I think I gotta get that last dollar one. Okay, and then I'm gonna do my sub raid for some D6s somewhere. I've got a +2. I don't know, I have to look at the bonuses. Let's just see what happens. America's green. I'll be attacker's green. Japan is yellow. Okay, so 6 to 2, and then let's look at these stupid bonuses. First things first. Okay, so we've got a +2 from that. I guess I should go look at what technology Japan has. So Japan has Okay, so that specifically says coastal submarine, so that's nothing. Right, cruiser variants, light carriers, nothing. And then down here, okay, so I don't think you get a Q ship roll because it specifically says coastal subs. So then I've got an 8 to 2, so that's a 6. I think maxes out at 5. Okay, so that's 5 off of Japan's income. Okay, this can get repaired as well. For non-coms, 1, 2, 3. These guys are going to go 1, 2, 3 and join the fleet. This bomber is going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and land on Wake Island. And then these 2 transports are going to use a strat naval move. I've got improved logistics so they get to move an additional space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. The dumb way to do it. 5. We're going to land up here in the Pacific Northwest. This air transport's going to take special ops. Same thing, it'll go to Northwest. Okay, and then for rail, I'm going to rail. Rail these 3 guys over to San Francisco. Yeah. I'll just ride his pony really fast. I'll ride his pony really fast. Those guys are probably upgraded versions of the cavalry now, but I just don't care enough to do anything about that. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay, let's place our guys. I'll build those 2 in Kyushu, or Honshu, pardon me. Build this guy up here. Build these 3 at the major shipyard in Honshu. Build these guys in San Francisco. That's 1, 2, 3. Those guys will be 4, 5 in San Francisco. think that's everything. So just 61. 61. I got a die 6. 61 plus 6 is 67. Okay, cool. Talk to you guys later.